welcome to AC Studio. So I finally got the other two Sisters of Battle action figures from Joytoy. They are the Sister Jurel and Sister Noyalle. Oh, I find it so hard to pronounce their names. And I'm not going to go through in detail this time on the articulation, so I'll just probably going to show you all four together now. I haven't got the other one because I want to save a bit of money, and the other one apparently the facial expression isn't really interesting. It looks, pretty innocent. But I really like the Jurel because it got a mask, it got a half mask, and looks really beautiful. And that one, the look of the character remind me of the 40,000K trailer, which I mentioned on the other video.
Even in the face of death, faith is our armor.
I'm not surprised the character is based on the video. So please let me know if you know whether it is the same character. Alright, let's unbox it. They both come with the helmet and 4 exchangeable hands and 2 guns. That looks like a framer or melter gun. And these are the bolters. Alright, let's enjoy the details. Details are similar to the other two figures. The main differences is the cape. The cape looks very different compared to each other. So they have different sculpt. Look at it, looks really nice. They look very realistic. Let's put it together. So these two figures has the same cape, whereas these two are different to each other. Yeah, these two looks the same. The apron of these two looks the same. The back is the same. So okay. Except the chest has different details. So these two look very similar. And that looks really nice as well. Look at that one. And that one obviously different. Yeah, so they're not completely the same, even though they look very similar. And this one looks very different. This is probably my favorite one because, the shape of it looks really cool. It looks like it is floating. I love this half mask face. Really nice. So the facial expression telling us she is battle hardened. The skin color is a bit pale, but it's alright. So the main difference is just the head compared to this one. They look very similar, and also of course the chest detail is different as well. Otherwise they're very similar figure. And they also got the pistol at the back. As you can see here, right? But this is just a fixed piece. It's not like you cannot get a gun out of it, right? So to conclude, I was probably going to say the same thing again as my previous video. These figures are just great. They are sometimes a little bit tricky to make them stand. Let's start again. I can't remember what did I say before. A
little longer than a few minutes later.
Let's continue. So these figures are probably the best Joytoy figures ever produced so far. And like what I said before, if you haven't got it, get it. They are really nice figures, but whether you need to get all 5 of them or not is, up to you. To me, they are very expensive figures. They cost pretty much $50 US each, so they're very pricey. Now comes to the end of this video, so thank you very much for watching, and I hope you got these figures as well, and let me know what you think. Talk to you next time. Bye for now.